Hey guys, it's the Tiny One back with another video for you, and today we're actually going to be taking a look at some keycaps, which, yes, it sounds a bit bland, but these are the new ones from Corsair, and they don't just fit the Corsair keyboards, they can fit on the other ones as well. And when we flick the old thing round down at the compatibility here, with most non-standard bottom row cherry keys, but they're compatible with pretty much all of the Corsair ones, which is a really nice bit. But they're double walled as well, so you've got the bit on the inside, and then you've got the colour over the top. And I've got the white ones because obviously I like white stuff, but they do come in black as well, and all of the backlighting still works. And because it's double walled as well, what it can mean is you might not get as much bleed through, but obviously I've not seen that yet. And I thought we could have a look before I fit them, because otherwise I am going to be there and then you'll be like, oh, we didn't see how they come. Well, warranty guide, yeah, that's not really going to matter, is it? Anyway, so they are double layered, so you do get a full set. I think the only things that I've seen that I've not got with that one, because I'm going to be putting it on the K95 Super Duper keyboard, I think the only one is the macro keys down the side. But, so we've got them all. Let's have we'll give you a nice close look. And if I was to pull this one out, just so that I can show you, you can see that you've got there we go, you can see the bit at the bottom and then you've got the white round the outside. So obviously I want to see what these look like lit up as well, and it's daytime at the moment, but it's probably going to take me a month of Sundays to change all the keys. You do get a tool though to help make that process easier, but I'm now going to sit there or sit through it and get all these keys changed, and yeah, we will be back to see what they look like lit up. Okay, so here it is with the keys all fitted. And they actually come up and work really nice. I was a bit dubious about the white and with the laser cut, but where they are dual layer, they do work really, really well. So you can see all the lights coming through. I'm using this on a K95 just because it was one of the ones that we were using in the office at the time. And yeah, I'm really impressed with them. So if you're looking for that kind of white edge, then you've obviously got a really easy option that you can go to. We've also, because I got sent a second set randomly, you can see them all there. You can still see that the colours come through even with the lights. But when they're off, I've got another one here. So you can see they look really nice as well. So I think they've done a spot on job with it. I'll turn the lights off again just so that you can hear. Here, yeah, okay. But you get what I mean, peeps. They do look all really Gucci, really nice. It's all super clear. Yeah, proper job.